Right, so it's got a good one here. If you're not going to get married, how's your relationship going to work financially? If you have kids. Especially if you have kids, you're going to be a headache if you don't get married. Hold on a minute. You can still be in a relationship and live with someone. I'm not saying me, but I'm just saying, like, you know, if you don't get married, right, you can still have a normal relationship, right? You can even have, I don't know if people have joint accounts when they're not in a relationship or whatever, innit? But there's plenty of couples out here, right? They're together, they're not married, right? And they work things out fine or whatever, innit? Well, to my knowledge, you know, I don't know what goes on behind the scenes or whatever, but getting married is not going to make any difference to finances when it comes to looking after children and stuff like that. I've seen, you know, like my mum and stepfather have never been married or nothing like that. And yeah, you don't have to be married. But you see that, what Libban said, right? People have been programmed to think that, oh, you know, well, if you don't get married, then you can't function properly. Yes, you can. People have been doing it for centuries and people will continue to do it.